In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down accordion-style FAQ to your Squarespace website. FAQs, or frequently asked questions, are a fantastic way to provide quick answers to your visitors while keeping your site clean and organized. Using Squarespace's accordion block feature, you can display your FAQs in an interactive drop-down style, making it easy for your visitors to find the information they need without overwhelming your page layout. Let's get started. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If your site is integrated with Google, you can choose the Continue with Google option for faster access. This can save you a bit of time if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the account dashboard. Here, click on the website you want to work on. This will bring you to your site's main interface, where you can start making edits. Next, navigate to the Edit function to open the editing interface. This is where most of your customization happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this section. Now, look for the option to Add Block. This is how you can insert new content into your page. Once you click on it, the block menu will appear, showing you various content types to choose from. From the block menu, locate and click on Accordion. This is the block that gives you the drop-down effect, perfect for organizing FAQs. The accordion block ensures your page stays tidy while still providing expandable sections for more detailed answers. It's a great way to balance functionality and design. After adding the accordion block to your page, you'll see a pencil icon appear on it. Click on this icon to access the editing options for the block. This is where you can start personalizing the content to fit your site's needs. Within the editing options, you'll see an item labeled Accordion Item 1. Click on it to begin customizing your FAQ content. This is the starting point for setting up your first question and answer pair. For the title section of the accordion item, enter your FAQ question. This is what visitors will see initially, so make sure the question is clear, concise, and directly addresses a common query your audience might have. Next, move down to the description section and enter the corresponding answer or detailed information. This is the part that expands when a visitor clicks on the question. Use this space to provide helpful and complete answers to ensure your visitors get the information they're looking for. Once you've finished entering your question and answer, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save to lock in the updates and make the FAQ section live on your site. Saving your work is crucial to ensure all your modifications are properly displayed for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a drop-down accordion-style FAQ to your Squarespace website. Using this feature, you can keep your content organized, interactive, and user-friendly. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.